handog sa atin ng Santa na party dito sa Naik, Cavite. Bayang karerista, kayo ang bida.
Gates open, they're up and racing. Pierce and Fiery draws for your lead. In turbulence running by the Real Bruno Scott. Then running on the outside is Money King. Next in line by the rail is entry number 4. And that's Divine Choice. Running on the outside is Diamond Dane as they race towards the half-mile pole. Pierce and Fiery Wind Turbulences by the rail. Then racing in third is Money King, followed by Bruno Scott, Divine Choice. Then next in line, Diamond Dane, moving up Money Queen, Ampore. Rounding at the 600, two runners keep on parting it out for the lead. Running on the outside, Pierce and Fiery Wind Turbulences by the rail. Money King now moving up and getting closer as they race for home. Pierce and Fiery running by the rail. Wind Turbulence. Money King joining them on the outside. Pierce and Fiery, Money King, Wind Turbulence by the rail. Money King blazing home on the outside to grab the lead. Now they are all after 2A. Money King with Patricio Ramos Dilemma, and finally Money King second, Money Queen, Pierce and Fiery. Then comes Wind Turbulence, Diamond